Some people are earning thousands of dollars per month. Others are making tens of thousands of dollars per month. And you still think it isn't possible? It is possible, and for you too. So let's find out how you can do that. Hi, I'm Lydia, a social media manager, content creator, and business owner. And on this channel, we'll talk about everything about business growth with social media and building multiple income streams for your business. Right now, I'm on a journey to earning $10,000 per month every single month. And I have made some progress since my last 2 videos. If you want to watch them, you can watch them right here, in which I talked about how I began working towards this goal of me earning $10,000 per month and what I did to actually grow those income streams and what my income streams are. I'm here to do this to motivate you to do the same because it is possible for you too. Now, I haven't yet reached that goal, but I did reach my first $6,000 a month back in November of 2021. And this video is an income report and an exact breakdown of every income stream that helped me reach that goal. I will also talk about what I'm doing to grow that income to $10,000 per month. So let's talk a little bit about my income of November 2021, what it was, how much it was, and the income streams that helped me reach that goal. So my total income for November was $6,257.82 approximately. So let's begin and let me tell you what are the income streams that got me to earn this much. So my first income stream is the one that is also the most consistent within my business, which is YouTube AdSense. So I am being paid for the YouTube videos that I upload every single week. Now, the payment depends on every single month, and if you want to see a breakdown month by month of how much I made from YouTube AdSense in 2021, you can watch this video right here. But in November of 2021, from YouTube AdSense, I made $563.91 approximately. So YouTube AdSense is a recurring payment every single month for me. Since I got monetized, there wasn't a month in which I earned zero, because that is quite not possible with YouTube, because your videos keep getting views, your older videos, your newer videos, so you keep earning a certain amount. Obviously, you earn more once you upload more and once more of your videos get a lot more traffic. So the growth also depends on the CPM, the RPM, how much advertisers pay for the ads that are shown on your videos. But that depends on the months, because sometimes they pay more in November, December, sometimes they pay more in January or February. So it is a revenue stream that also fluctuates a lot, but it is consistent in the term that I get a payment from YouTube every single month. It is a great income stream, and besides that, YouTube is my main marketing platform. So because I create these videos, I also get clients for my services, digital product sales, affiliate sales, and much more. So besides the traffic that I get to earn this YouTube income from ads, I also get all of the other money that I get into my business because of YouTube. So I think it is a platform that is really worth using for your business. My second income stream is affiliate marketing, not in terms of how much I make, but in terms of how I'm explaining it to you right now. In November, I made a total of $29.85 from affiliate marketing. Usually it is around $100 and $300 per month from affiliate sales. It is not a lot, but it is an income stream that I'm planning on growing with my blog and just creating more videos, promoting more products. But with affiliate marketing, especially with the YouTube channel, you need to be really careful what you promote, to promote something that you truly believe in. But I am working on growing it every single day. My third income stream are my digital products. So right now I have 2 digital products, my Pinterest workbook and my Pinterest templates. And from this income stream, I made a total of $39 in November. Again, my digital product sales make me around $100 per month or $200 in the best months. But again, it is an income stream that is quite consistent, so I get sales every month, and it is just an add up to my overall income. Now, the fourth income stream that I'm going to talk about are social media management services, my Pinterest services, Instagram services, which earn me a total of $5,625 in November of 2021. This is my biggest income stream right now. Every single month, I usually make more than I make with YouTube ads, because I get clients and I provide these services. These services are usually also virtual assistant services or website design services as well, not only social media management. Now, the thing with services and this income stream in general, it is that it fluctuates the most. you can have 20 clients this month and make a lot of money, and then the next month you can have 0 clients just because you haven't managed to book any clients, or maybe they didn't reach out to you because they're not interested in your service at the time. And you can have months in which a lot of people reach out to you and you're fully booked and you can't take any more clients. So it fluctuates the most, and it is not the most reliable source of income because it doesn't have a monthly occurrence. You're not sure you're gonna have a client next month, and it also takes up the most time as well, because the more clients you have, the most time you need to put into it and the most effort, obviously, especially when you want to deliver fast and deliver a good product, a good service. So again, this income stream fluctuates from month to month. There are months when I make nothing out of services, and there are months where I make $1,000, $2,000, and as in this month you saw, my biggest month yet from services, $5,000 and more. Now, the fifth income stream is usually brand collaborations and sponsorships on my YouTube channel, but this month in November I didn't get any paid collaborations. I had proposals for such collaborations, but they were either just underpaying, which I didn't think it was worth it to give my time and effort for something that was not paid right, and for people that would just, please join our affiliate program and you'll earn so much more from that. I'm sorry, no, these are my rates, and if you want to negotiate a little bit, that's fine with me, but I will not get paid a small amount just because I can join your affiliate program and make more money off that. My work is my work, and every brand should understand that. Besides the brands that were underpaying, I thought that some of them just didn't go with my channel at all. For example, a brand reached out about some Amazon collaboration. I don't do Amazon right now. I don't sell on Amazon. I don't create videos on my channel about that. So being sponsored to create such a video that I know my audience isn't interested in, it is just not worth it. This income stream is also not a reliable source as a small channel, because these types of collaborations come and go. You don't know if somebody's going to reach out to you, especially with only 14,000 subscribers. Maybe when I will have a bigger channel, I will have more brand collaborations to choose from, but right now they are not a reliable source. Now let me tell you how I plan on making $10,000 per month consistently every month in the future. First of all, I want to work on my existing income streams and growing those. So affiliate marketing, my digital products, obviously growing my YouTube channel, so my YouTube ads revenue, and my services. I also plan on creating multiple sources of income, such as creating online courses as well, so another type of digital product. And I also want to get started working with my blog, maybe do more sponsored posts there and on my channel as well. So once my channel grows, the income streams that I want to focus on are YouTube ads, affiliate marketing, digital product sales, and sponsorships. And I also have another surprise income stream that I'm working on growing in the future because it is highly profitable. If you have some guesses, you can leave them in the comments below and I'll tell you if it is that or not. So there you go, these are my 5 income streams and more that are earning me right now around $3,000 to $6,000 every single month. And there are also the income streams that I'm planning on growing until I make consistent 10K months and even more. Let me know if you've enjoyed this video and make sure to give it a like if you did, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel because every single week I post videos on growing online with social media and making more money. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram at lydia.incomingsuccess, where you can ask me anything. I would love to chat with you, and you will also have the chance of learning a little bit more from my posts and reels about growing your income. Thank you so much for being here, and I will see you in my next video.